Congratulations to the new #1 stock in market cap, NVIDIA. Hey there, Tamir from פיבונאצ'י.com, your daily market recap. Like, subscribe, let's see the charts. New all-time high on the SPY, 548.49. Now, the 542 is the support. Long continuation, and we will see 556 and 567. Look at this trend line, how it holds the higher highs, and as long as the SPY is stuck to this trend line from below, or even better, from above it, the way is up. This is how it looks on the 65 minutes. Always zoom in, zoom out, and then you will get a better point of your price action. Since middle of the day of Monday, we just got ourselves a sideways move. Look at this sideways move, consolidation. 546 is the support, 548.47, the new all-time high, is the resistance. Long continuation, and we will see 551 and 554 to the upside. QQQ. Not much of a price action with a doji inside candle. This area, the 478 is still the support. We are above this trend line. Now next resistance is the 498 and 514. 65 minutes. Always zoom in, zoom out. Same as the SPY. Since middle day of Monday, sideways move, very tight price action. 484 to the downside, 486 to the upside, long continuation, and we will see 490, 494, and even 506 is incoming on the way up. Dow Jones, once again, trend lines proves themselves as the true support and resistance for price action. Look at this blue trend line. We drew this trend line few days back, and this trend line once again acts as a very tough resistance. High of the day of the Dow Jones tried to break up and above it, got failed, but on the positive side, we are above the lower border of the yellow zone, the 388. This is the Fibonacci Traders indicator. One click away and you have everything that you need on your chart. Let's see, can the Dow Jones break up above the 391, maybe the 393, closing the week above the 393, and we can say that the Dow Jones has finally arrived to the party. IWM still inside this red downtrend channel. The 201 area, the lower border of the yellow zone, is a very difficult resistance. Look at this. From support, broke to the downside. Now once again resistance. The support is the 199.87, and then back to the downside, 197. In my opinion, I will wait to go long on IWM, only a weekly close above the upper red line. Bitcoin, for the time that I'm recording this video, 0.5% to the upside, but overall we are inside this downtrend channel. You can see here lower lows, lower highs. We are inside a very, not long, but midterm downtrend channel that takes us to the downside. 64.150 is the support. Below it, 62 and 59 overall. As long as we are below the 67,200, the lower border of the yellow zone, Bitcoin, at least for the short term, is going to the downside. Ethereum, 2% to the upside by the time that I'm recording this video, but look at this. The lower border of the yellow zone once again proves itself as a very tough resistance. It's a resistance since June 12th, already 10 days, 10 trading days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trading days. 8 is a Fibonacci number. Can today signal the backup and bounce above the 36 and 36.80? We do have here some kind of a double bottom scenario on the Ethereum, bullish on all time frames. Let's see, I want to see the day closing inside the yellow zone, and then we will reassess long position on Ethereum. And when I say we, is the Fibonacci Traders Discord, the only Discord with 2 trading floors, trading floor in English, trading floor in Hebrew, channels for day traders, for swing traders, for options, for crypto, for futures, anything that you want under one roof. So join us today and you will become a better trader and you will start seeing better results. And once you join the Fibonacci Traders Gold membership, you also gain access to the amazing tool, the FTI. Like, subscribe, don't forget to check the links in the description below. Let's continue with MAGS, the Magnificent 7 ETF, Doji inside candle, the 44.37 is the support, above it 45.42 is the resistance, and then 46 and 48 to the upside. Be careful from this gap. We know that more than 85-90% of all gaps will get filled. SOXX, the semiconductors ETF, continues to the upside. Not surprising. We will go over NVIDIA in details. Don't worry. Just hit the like, subscribe. The SOXX holding the 253.50. Now is the support. New all-time high is the resistance. Long continuation and another new all-time high is the 270 and another new all-time high at the 281. Overall, SOXX is in a very bullish trend. Let's see, can we get the same magnitude of price action we saw over here? Can we get it over here? And then we are heading towards the 276 and 281 to the upside. And now, ladies and gentlemen, NVIDIA, number one market cap, past Microsoft, past Apple. NVIDIA with another 3.5% to the upside. This is FOMO on NVIDIA, but NVIDIA is the new queen in the stock market. 128 is the support. We are on the left lane of the uptrend channel, the fast lane up. Next, we will see 148, 163. This is how it looks on the 65 minutes. Grinding up, grinding. After few candles inside the yellow zone, let's zoom in so we can see it much better. As you can see, Friday went all the way until Tuesday's opening. 2 days of sideways move inside the yellow zone, and then bulls had enough. Boom to the upside and went all the way to a new all-time highs at the 136.33. Long continuation, and we will see 139 and 142 to the upside. Never bet against NVIDIA, not now. This is not the time to go short on NVIDIA. Microsoft at the upper border of this uptrend channel together with the 451. New all-time highs on Microsoft yesterday, on Monday, not today. Today with an inside candle, which means bulls took a rest. 439.82 is the support. Long continuation above the 451, and we will see 463 and 480 on Microsoft. Let's continue with Apple. Until not long ago, Apple was number one. Apple is number 3, ladies and gentlemen. Number 3, number 1 is NVIDIA, Microsoft, and only then Apple. Apple still continues to struggle with this red line. We drew this red line few weeks back, and we said this trend line will become a very difficult resistance. You're more than welcome to check previous stock market recaps on the daily and on the weekly. You will see this red line. The positive side, the 213 area, holding very nice support in the past few 4 trading days. Now let's see, can Apple bulls after these 4 days of resting break above the 220.20, and then we will see 229 and 241 on Apple. AMD continues to slide to the downside, and finally we said we are waiting to close the gap over here, and here we are. This gap is officially closed. Now let's take Fibonacci a little bit wider. Now, as you can see, we have swing low, swing high, all the way back to the 618 Fibonacci resist support, the lower border of the yellow zone. Breaking down and under, 149 and then 141. Once the gap is filled, most cases we will get some kind of a bounce, but we need to validate, we need to wait for validation for this bounce. It doesn't mean we need to go long automatically. We are bearish on all time frames. There is no long on AMD for now. Netflix, 1.5% to the upside, broke above this uptrend channel. This uptrend channel was a very nice, the middle channel from support, resistance, now once again support, long continuation, and we will see 726 and 775 to the upside. SMCI 3.7% to the upside, breakout continuation, the breakout that occurred Monday, continuation today. Now the 868 area is the support, and then we will see next resistance is the 970 and above it 1046 and 1140. Bullish on all time frames except bearish on the weekly. Why? Because we still have lower highs on SMCI, but we want to catch what might be the bounce and the start of a new uptrend. So we can enter, we already entered in the Fibonacci Traders Discord, we entered long position on SMCI. And of course, everything that you see in here is my opinion only. Nothing here is financial advice. Please do your own due diligence. It's your money. Please take care of your money. And if you want to learn how to take care of your money, if you want to learn how to make your money work for you, check the links in the description below. Join me on this magnificent journey, the one-on-one live mentorship program, or the same program but pre-recorded, the expert program, online program. Both programs, I guarantee lifetime access, all Discord channels, the FTI, and we go hand by hand until you will become a professional, consistent trader, whether you want to do it professionally like I do, or as a side hustle, as a second income. Perfectly fine. I will teach you everything that I know. I will teach you how to read charts. I will teach you how to find A+ setups for longs, for shorts, for swings, for day trading. And most importantly, I will teach you how to manage risk and how to trade what you see. Check the links in the description below, and if you're already there, like, subscribe. Let's continue with Tesla. Tesla with an inside candle hanging above the yellow zone, which is the positive side. We're still mixed signal on the time frames. I want to see a weekly close above the 191, and then I will reassess. Is it time to go long on Tesla? In my opinion, for now, wait for a weekly close above the 191. Shopify 3.4%, struggling to hold the lower border of the yellow zone. Below it, we will see 61. Shopify had a very nice bull trend, very nice bounce, and now in the past few trading days, looks like bulls of Shopify are getting tired, and when bulls are tired, bears are coming in. Now let's check. This is the new high, the 64.20 holding support. Below it 63 and 61.75. Let's see, can bulls of Shopify, after a day rest, can they come back and take Shopify towards this blue trend line and above it, closing the gap at the 75.20. Amazon still continues to do just nothing. Sideways move, hanging above the 182, 183 area is support, bearish on all time frames, which means there is nothing much on Amazon for now. Downtrend below the 181, we will see 179 and 177. I want to see weekly close above the 185. Meta with 1.4% to the downside, but Meta is still inside an uptrend channel above the 491, the upper border of the yellow zone. And as long as this channel is holding, as long as the 491 is holding, Meta is good to go for long if you're already long on this one. But if you're not long yet, I would wait. I want to see a weekly close above the 500. Google 1.2% to the downside. One day up, one day down. Nothing clear here. No clear trend in the past month or so on Google. Inside the yellow zone, breaking below the 173. We will see 172 and 169. Let's see, can Google break and close above the weekly, above the 178. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the top 5 gainers in the past trading day. First we have Chewy, CHWY with 13% in one day after this long consolidation, 3 weeks of consolidation. Came Tuesday, 13.85% to the upside. Now the 2460 is the support. Long continuation, and we will see 29 and 31 to the upside. ELF, beautiful candle, 9.4% to the upside after several days inside the yellow zone. Bulls had enough. Closed almost at the high of the day at the 213 area. Above it, 225.90, 240 to the upside. Bullish on all time frames. ARM holding ARM 8.6% to the upside after 3 days consolidation, 3 consecutive dojis hanging above the 154 area. Bulls came strong with new all-time highs on ARM, long continuation, and we will see 194 and 215 to the upside. Celsius holding CELH after this double bottom got validated. You're more than welcome if you don't follow me on Twitter, and especially if you're not a member of the Discord, in the Fibonacci Discord, you missed the double bottom. We talked about this double bottom since beginning of May. We talked about this double top scenario, sorry, not double bottom, double top scenario. And here we are. Now, bounced 8.3% to the upside. Is it the time to go long on CLH? According to the FTI on the daily, we got ourselves the buy signal. I rather wait for another daily close above the 6180, and then we will reassess going long on CELH. And if you don't want to miss these kind of setups, if you don't want to miss the triggers, the entry points, the exit, you're more than welcome to follow and join the Fibonacci Traders Discord, where you will never miss any A+ setups. Cedar Fair, FUN, 7.5% to the upside, bullish on all time frames. Now, the 48.30, 48.40 is the support, long continuation, and we will see 55.40 and 59 to the upside. Make sure you add all these 5 stocks, Chewy, ELF, ARM, CLH, and the FUN, to your watch list for Thursday and Friday. Once again, thank you very much for watching this video. I do hope you find it helpful, educational. If so, like, subscribe. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. Choose your path to financial freedom. Until the next video, stay safe.